Bitcoin is about to break down. We're going to have a look into that, guys, and why currently I'm very concerned about the Bitcoin price. We're going to have a look into that, guys, and also going to give you some updates on some new cryptos that currently I'm buying up, like Liquid Chain and also Pepe Node that is coming to an end in 22 days, and even a little update on Tether King, guys, this crypto game that currently I'm gaming. I'm going to show you exactly the progress right now, and also, of course, if you're interested right now, then of course make sure to check out the links in the video description to all those new cryptos, and also Tether King, this new crypto game that I'm gaming right now. Every now and then I'm showing you some progress here, because sometimes I just like to play some games here, especially when they're crypto related, and also for Liquid Chain, Bitcoin Hyper, Pepe Node, and so on. You're going to find the links here in the video description. And currently, guys, a late video because maybe you're following my shorts as well. There I showed you that I bought like a new room to make a new YouTube studio. So there currently I'm working day and night, and that's why of course a lot of energy and time is going there right now. But of course I always keep doing those videos every day, so don't worry, guys, about that. So welcome everyone on board. Make sure to be subscribed, guys. We are almost at 4,000 subscribers. Remember that we're gonna do the next $100 giveaway for you at 4K. And also, if you are looking out for good exchanges where to trade Bitcoin and altcoins in the next coming days and weeks, because I think that big volatile moves are incoming, then check out Bybit, Casey Exchange, Maxi Global, and so on. All exchanges that I'm also using. You can sign up with my links to get everywhere the maximum sign up bonus. And remember, of course, that everything in this video that I'm sharing is only my own opinion, my own analysis, and my own predictions. Do always your own research, since I'm not a financial advisor, and everything here in this video and in my channel is by no means a financial advice. So everything is no financial advice. And now we're going to start here in the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin, guys, because unfortunately in the lower time frame, I told you guys in the last couple of days, on the higher time frames, on the bigger time frames, we are looking bullish. It looks good, actually. That's why I'm buying more in. But what is going on here in the immediate short term, in the 4-hour and daily time frame, is looking very concerning. Because yesterday in the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we had 4-hour closes below our support. And I told you that this is a very crucial support that we have in the immediate short term at around 88K. Unfortunately, we got here a breakdown. And you can see that right now we're just coming up to retest it. And for now, we're just testing here this new resistance previous support, which is a very bearish sign. I only start to be bullish again if we see 4-hour closes above this resistance. So above 88K, 4-hour closes, then yes, we can be bullish again. But until then, unfortunately, we are at the edge to break down to much lower levels, because there are two different targets that you can watch out right now. One is, of course, the big one, like from the top to bottom. So if this was a bear flag, then of course right now the breakout target would be all the way down here at $70,000, which could be devastating for Bitcoin, because those are bear market targets, guys. So this is where more or less the 200 weekly moving average is lining up. Those are bear market targets, and not just big crash or correction and then we continue the bull run or something like that. This is really bear market territory and bear market lows that we are talking about. That's why it is very devastating if we would really go down there. The other target would be just here if we would measure here this channel, and this is the breakout. This would be a retest of 80K. So then of course this would be more bullish, because then we could eventually form here a nice double bottom formation and then of course go to much higher levels. So that would be the more bullish target. And I'm telling you that because as long as we don't see again 4-hour closes above 88K, the risk is here to fall to much lower levels. And of course the altcoins will follow Bitcoin if that happens to Bitcoin. But this is really just in the 4-hour time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, we can also quickly have a look into the indicators. You can see that they're in oversold condition again, and now a bounce is likely, but you can see that every bounce is just leading into a pump and dump at the end. And over here on the daily time frame, we are cooling off right now. So also here we still have some room left to the downside. So also here, in theory, we can still again come back down towards 80K. The bottom side of the Keltner channels at $83,700 also could be a important support. But overall, of course, what we are seeing right now is not very bullish. And at some point we will start here a nice relief rally, but you can see that after the last buy signal that we had here, we just had basically a bounce from 80K all the way to 94K, and right now we're cooling off again. So this was not very powerful here what we have seen. A powerful move for Bitcoin usually is a big pump consolidation, pump consolidation, pump consolidation, and so on. This is what we usually get during a nice uptrend for Bitcoin. and unfortunately with this move we didn't have that yet. But if we go over into the higher time frames, the 3-day is still looking good. Yes, of course, now because of this move, it is coming down again. But even if here we're cooling off again and we get another buy signal, we are still more in oversold condition than all the way up here in overbought condition. And that's why I still remain bullish. Even if here we get a confirmed sell signal, those are not really valid as long as they are not in overbought condition. Also, if we go over into the 5-day time frame, also here we have everywhere buy signals, everything is looking good, and even better, of course, on the weekly time frame. Here I told you we got a buy signal in extreme oversold condition. And even if we are entering into a bear market, even if we are in a bear market, we have currently a buy signal confirmed. We're just waiting for the confirmation indicator, and those buy signals usually means that we're gonna have a nice retest of the 20 moving average, and this is on the weekly time frame right here at 106k. This is why I cannot be too bearish right now, even though in the lower time frames we have right now this breakdown and even at the moment a confirmation of new resistance. I cannot be completely bearish right now just because of the higher time frames. In the lower time frames, yes, we're looking bearish, but not on the higher time frames. That's why I'm still buying more, and I still expect a bounce at some point. Also, guys, if you're looking out for new cryptos that I'm buying up right now that are very hyped, that everyone currently is looking out for, Liquid Chain is the newest one. Guys, here you can stake it for 3,700% API. This is very, very early stage. This new Liquid Chain, it is called Liquid, the token. It is a layer 3. It is combining Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana. Also here I bought in. You can also here connect a wallet and buy and stake it for 3,700%. Look at my coins that I bought, 8,000 coins, and I have right now 80,000 coins. Whatever amount you're putting in here, I have already 10x out from it because of this high API that you're getting here if you're staking your coins. This is only possible right now because it is just getting started. Also here with Papernote, guys, this one here is coming out, this new presale is coming out in 22 days with a market cap of 2.3 million, also nothing. And the API here, it's still 500%. So I'm gonna continue to stake my coins here as long as the API is so high. Even if the coin is going to pump at launch, I'm gonna keep staking here because also here I have a multiple of my initial purchase here on Papernote as well. And also for Tether King, guys, if you're playing this game, we have more and more people joining this crypto game. If my notebook is not giving up here, 244 kingdoms. It is getting bigger and bigger, and you can see also the invested amount in this game, almost $80,000 or Tether. And here if you go to my kingdom, you can connect a DeFi wallet. I have connected now my Coinbase wallet here. You can also connect MetaMask and everyone that is of course supported. And here you can see that I'm earning 100 gold and 100 gems per hour. You can also here go and upgrade, use the gold that you have. For example, here I can upgrade now this one. I have to confirm, of course, with every step that I'm doing here. I always have to confirm every step that you're doing. If you want to attack other kingdoms or if you want to attack something, you always have to confirm it basically. So my notebook is not the best here. I don't have the best internet here in the new studio at the moment, guys. This will change, of course, but I just wanted to show you actually here how you can do upgrades and stuff like that. Anyway, when you have a good internet connection, you can here click confirm the transaction, and then of course you can upgrade here your stuff and use your gold here. The same thing is also when you want to cash out a bit. For example, I have now collected 5,000 gems. So 5,000 I can convert right now in $5. This is what I'm getting like in half of a day or something like that. I click here sell gems into dollar. And also here I have to confirm that transaction. Let's wait a second. Let's see if this one is upcoming or not. It is working normally, but here my internet is really, really bad at the moment. I have to do something about it. But anyway, I'm gonna keep you updated with a future video. I still have those 5,000 gems, and anyway, they keep going higher. So check them out, guys, with the links in the video description. And of course, I keep you updated with that as well. And for Bitcoin, as I told you guys, we are in huge, you see, not even my lines are showing up here now. Very laggy. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Before everything breaks down, I think this is bearish what we're seeing right now, but of course the higher time frames are still bullish. There is still hope, guys, so let's hope that we can recover as soon as possible, but we are of course in a very critical point right now. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.